A lot of athletes, from the weekend warrior to the seasoned professional, focus intensely on one thing: training harder. They track their miles, lift heavier weights, and push through the pain. But what if I told you that the real magic, the actual transformation and improvement, happens over the workout is over? I'm Dr. Levinson, and in my practice, I see this critical oversight every day. Recovery is just as important as the training itself, if not more so. The body actually adapts, repairs, and improves during recovery, not during the workout itself. The workout is the stimulus, recovery is the growth. When we talk about recovery, we're not just talking about taking a day off. It's a holistic, multifaceted process that dictates how well your body repairs and performs. If you want practical, evidence-based wellness and performance education, including tips on how to optimize your recovery routine, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.